What if every leaf could dance on your tile? Today, we're learning a Zentangle pattern that flows like nature itself, Toodles. Hi, welcome to Hobbi 101, your cozy corner for beginner-friendly Zentangle tutorials. If you're new here, welcome. We're on a 31-day journey, one pattern a day, to create a massive finale art piece together. And today, we're adding Toodles. You can slow this video down or even pause and replay so you don't feel rushed. Grab your tile, pen, and pencil. We'll start with the Toodles base stroke. It begins with a stem-like curve that lifts off into a petal shape. Now arc the line over and close it down, almost like a calla lily wrapping in. Inside, a bold teardrop completes the form. The fun begins when you let them overlap. Draw another stem right beside, curling into the next Toodles. Notice how the petals tuck in behind each other. See how these start to look like leaves dancing together? That's the meditative flow kicking in. Let's shade the inside edge of each petal and along the stem. A gentle gradient pulls the form forward and makes it feel alive. Notice how the shadows give Toodles a breath of life? Suddenly, flat lines turn dimensional. You can keep Toodles simple or extend the stem, overlap more, or even make a spiral garden of them. The variations are endless. Let's add Toodles into our big 31-day finale tile. Remember, each day we're layering one more pattern into the master composition. For our finale tile, I'm placing Toodles right at the heart of the composition. Its flowing shapes act as the anchor, while the other tangles, festoon, seedwave, and Melvina spiral around it. See how centering Toodles instantly gives the piece balance? Your eye can't help but land here first. Here, I'm letting Toodles take center stage in the finale tile. Its bold, leafy shape anchors the whole composition, while the other patterns weave around it like supporting characters. Notice how Toodles doesn't just blend in. That's That's the power of choosing a focal pattern. It gives the tile a heartbeat. This is where Zentangle shines. You don't need to plan ahead. The surprises in each variation bring the calm. Now for the shading. Soft graphite along the stems and inside edges makes Toodles pop forward. To push the effect even more, I'm adding delicate aura lines inside the large Toodle shape, like gentle ripples radiating from its center. See how shading and auras together transform Toodles into a centerpiece? It feels alive, almost glowing. As I soften these shaded edges, notice how the flow slows down. That's the calm sneaking into the drawing, one gentle stroke at a time. See how the shading makes Toodles glow against the other tangles? Notice how the shadows lock the patterns together. Without shading, they just float apart. This is what gives the tile depth and unity. And that's Toodles, flowing, leafy, and full of life. Add it to your repertoire and you'll always have a way to soften your compositions. Tomorrow, we move on to day 5 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge, and the pattern is a whimsical favorite, Starlight. You don't want to miss it. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences, so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.